Lock the door. Yo, yeah, hear me? Blueprint this. We have to take the RBC Central Bank. You see me?
Alright.
How my son?
I'm proper.
You know in and you know out.
Yeah, man, I mean, man. Ready them up.
Alright.
So how we are going to rob this bank here? It's a new system in it, you know?
We have an inside person already. Plus, Spoon I got the right so you know I look on the screen, Spoon I got the right so with the car. But the man says that we have a thief a car but we own a car, we'll come back, you know. Chair we are going to walk in, joke them down.
So we're going to drive the car?
Spoon I drive the car, man.
Oh, okay. Alright, cool.
You have to pray over yourself, because the police station are the way up there. So you just pray over that side of the way bank there. We don't have to joke the alarm, the girl will go pull off the alarm something.
Okay.
We are walk through the front door here. Spoon over there so. We now come back through here so straight here so we are come back, you know.
Alright, see?
Him out in a different car. In a different car. That means them car knows they're not thief in car with thief. You see me? The police come down.
So I want the inside link.
You have to know the inside link, man. Just pray, just picture what you are going to do. When me joke the girl, you just tell everybody say, yo, full up them back here. Because we don't have the cab. If them press off the alarm in the whole of we gone to jail or dead in a better. Remember say, when we are going there, you know, all I like to go cut off, you know.
Okay.
You see me? And all I the surveillance camera them. We have somebody to deal with that. You are going there as a normally customers. Walking there, situation that everything alright. You see me? You know, so I'm going there, I'm a sweep off everything off my front page. You are crack the big safe, you know, with all like $5,000 them, you know. I remember saying that are easier to carry, you know, it's a clean sweep I make, you know. All we are going to do when we are going there, and you are going to respond. You know what you are going to do now, you are going to just walk in your bank like a regular customers. You see me? Spoon will go out there, I wait for you to drive away, you see? So Spoon, go on, go map out something. Map out one car, because you know say you have to know when for thief it at the day when we are working, you see me? Go on for now, man. You see? You are responsible for joining the bank in the candy. So all you do is just go and go take two passport side picture. In a night now, them go down a racket and go down a JP and tell him to sign it. No. You see me? That means your man you can just shoot out and go join the bank. And then you can start map it out for 3 days time. See? Go and go deal with it and forward. Hold on the candy. Hold on. Alright, go and go deal with it now for me. You can do it?
Alright.
Yeah, man. Watch your head, you know. Yo, you want me right hand, man. You see him? That's why I make sure send them and make them go. Yeah, the real done, man. Yeah, yo. Joe are the inside, man, you know.
Joe?
Yeah, man, Joe are the inside, man. And watch you know. Never want to make them know how are the inside, man. Cause she can't trust her too much, you know. Him kind of slow, you know.
Yeah, man, you don't know you can't trust him, brother. Everything good, man. Yo, how far we are come from 3 days time. Yo, we good for 3 days time, man. Alright. So just link me and, you know what I mean, we follow everything, right? Yeah.
That's alright.
It's a party, I'm going right now. Right now, I'm gambling bit right now. Right now, I'd like your money live and direct.
Boss, look on the news quickly, boss.
When me now walk on the news?
Big things are going on the news, watch it fast and quickly. You want to see it or you see what going on?
Thank you for tuning into Jamaican TV. I am your host, Tracy and Blair, and these are your news and reviews. News just in, we just got the information that the RBC National Bank has been robbed. That is the
Somebody
RBC
really robbed the bank before, brother.
And that bank is
Yo.
located in Apple Street.
I know what one, man. Can you know say put a camera over the next door flower shop, you know? Like, come on, see where I go on, you know, come go look on it and know what I want. Carry me up the road.
What is?
I mean what is? Where man there?
You don't know.
I mean you know. Yo, go in now. Sit down, listen. So you don't know where man there, man. Say if me ever find him in the road. Yo, where man there?
You don't know where in there.
You see money where him rob? My money, you know.
What you mean say your money?
And me have the first idea for go rob this, you know.
But we put my life at risk, so what you mean say your money?
Oh, that means you know where money there. Where money there?
Me don't know where money there.
I mean you don't know where money there.
Me don't know where there. My boyfriend gone with the money.
Gone with the money.
You know there.
Alright. You don't want to do nothing still, you know. But just tell me true. Where money there and where man there.
Hello? Me dey out of my yard gate, man. Yeah. Yeah, me dey out of Sagwan now, man.
Yo, here I go, see? I want you to take care of them two with for me. I have a little problem going up a yard. Because guess what now? You want a little thing I'm tell about one long time. See? Me want a problem. And the worst thing about it is that I have to left off my place. Them kill me, maybe a mother while ago and kill her. So here I go. I want you to take care of them because I have to make them move. Here, sir. I want you to make a better life for them.
Alright.
I beg you, I depend on you.
What are their name?
Wappy and Phillop.
Wappy and Phillop?
Yo, see another bagger? You have money to take care of them. Guess what now? Half of you, enough money, you're set for life, brother. You answer me, I say you can't start something. Half of the money, I for you, and half of the money, I for them. You hear, sir?
Alright. So how really going?
Yo, the man them fi rob a bank, and me hear what go on, and me force them, and me rob a bank. But me get through, but guess what, them want the money. So that's the whole problem, brother. So here what go on. Just take care of them for me, start out the thing. See?
Yo, just be careful now, bro. Careful.
Gone with the money. Alright, so like when you don't know where I'm there, give him them a finish.
Hello, good morning, Miss Jackie. Nothing me there. Is there one? May I send me my son them for this something? Alright, thanks. Wappy and Phillop.
Yeah.
You know, come here.
Alright, mommy, yeah, come.
You know, go for Miss Jackie go collect something for me.
Yes, ma'am.
And don't make me spit dry and not come back.
Yes, ma'am.
And don't last none. No hurry up and come back.
Okay, alright.
Me I go on the road and come back, you know. Food in our house, here, and you can go and look around. But not like far right or so.
Alright.
Hear me say?
Alright.
Here?
See you on the veranda.
Alright.
Welcome, pretty girl.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Lily. How about you?
My name is Wappy.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So you're just in the district?
Yeah, I just moved.
So which part you live?
I live right over there, so. So who that?
My brother. Phillop. Yo, forward now. Hi, good evening. What you say? You see a shady ask about that though.
Hi, my name is Lily.
I'm Phillop.
Yeah, your brother did tell me.
Phillop, come on, mommy, I wait for you. Phillop, come on, your mother wait for you too.
Well, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
See you again
Soon come.
very soon.
Alright, then we see you go on. Right, farmer. Come here. Miss Jackie saying take those out like there.
Alright.
Alright.
But yeah, I'm good, man. I love the fact that we're doing this for the kids, you know. Considering it's their birthday. So you couldn't get another cake. It's two of them.
Two of them can't share the one cake.
Alright, because of one birthday. Say alright.
Yeah, man.
What the boy them then?
I think they're outside.
Oh.
You know, somebody happened to the plastic surgery for me for time when
You don't really need that, you know. Perfect, just the way you are.
but
Relax. But if that's what you want, that's what you're gonna get.
alright. This will come back, I got some happy go buy something for me. By the way, you know today, man?
No.
Today on a birthday.
No, man. I have a birthday today. Me no remember which month me born in or me no remember which year me born.
So on a born the same month, the same day, but different year. So on remember, behave, sell.
Yes,
So come back
Alright, man.
and don't let me yard.
I'm not going nowhere until I come back.
Alright, later.
Alright. Safe travel.
Yeah.
So how long we go stay and take fish?
I don't know, we just have to catch some fish, spend the day.
Then me no see boat, man.
I don't know how to reach it, but just wait for him. Hurry up, little boy! Go on, boy, hurry up. Come, boy! Put the fish them in also.
Yes, man.
You're a big boy, now look at your left shirt that down there. You're a big man, you know, man. You have to learn to pick up after yourself. Sure.
I'm doing that my own conscience.
Tired. Phillop!
Daddy, you know what's the biggest one in India for me though. But mommy I fry them. But Phillop not forget none of Oh, me not forget none.
Why can't I forget none?
You not catch none, you only sit down and watch. And I bite off your finger them. If I know me and I catch no fish.
No, brother, you know, for live loving, man.
If I know me, like, you not catch no fish.
Stop it. Me are the biggest, me are the man in there. Me I get the biggest fish.
So
then your mother, then him, then you. You're the least one.
Daddy. No, I see a girl I like though. I don't know how to talk to a girl now, Daddy. You could teach me.
Well, you come to the right, man, you know. Because, let me tell you, how I met your mother. I was at the market and she was selling cane. And I, you know, we just walk over to her, see her, we never want a cane, so I say, sell me a bag of cane. And she was like, how much you want? And I said, give me 3. And she was, I'll give her $5,000.
Yeah.
And tell her to keep the change. When I give her the 5,000, the way she look at me, and that smile, just the way your mommy smile, I couldn't. Mommy have one of the best smile, man. It's not it. I had to just. I couldn't leave without get her that day. You see me? But you have a lot to learn, man. Your boy, you just anything you want to learn, you just come and ask your father. Man.
Can I ask one question? Like how you say, you give my mother 5,000 for getting. If you get a 5,000 off in the pocket and now, you go and breeze off with it.
So, she don't say you like her?
Yes, like.
You tell her say you like her?
Tell her something like her, like.
And what she say?
Hey, no, say no time out, you know.
You don't say nothing?
No, I say nothing. No like in stuff.
You have to just relax and don't be so fussy. Alright?
Yes, right.
Because women are like when man fussy.
Yeah, right.
Right, but anyways, get me some water.
Alright, Daddy.
Yeah. Boy!
Yes, Daddy.
So how's school?
School alright.
I realize how you're humble, you know. And you like you're out on Rasta.
That's what I want to do.
You think you're ready for that road there?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Just put it in my mind.
Well, if that's what you want, just when you reach the age, you do what you want to do, yeah?
Okay, Daddy.
And don't follow your little brother. He might move too fussy, he might move too fast.
Yeah, Daddy. As I did actually, I want to become an accountant.
Well, that's good. That's a very good business.
No?
Yeah, like good if you can manage your own money too. You know? It's very good business, man.
So, Daddy, what do you do when you have 2 girlfriends?
You have 2 girlfriends?
2 girlfriends?
Yeah, man. So, I know I'm a boy, no, man. I'm a boy. 3 girlfriends, man.
How much you have? 3.
Not tell them that, no.
Daddy, see what I So, Daddy, when I go back a booby key?
You want to go back over there?
Yes, Daddy, over there on a cool spot.
Alright, I'll go back over there soon, man. Don't worry yourself. But anyways, I'm going to go and go freshen up myself.
Yes, Daddy.
Before your mother done fry the fish then.
Alright, Daddy.
Alright?
Alright, Daddy.
Alright, look at me.
Wappy and Phillop,
Yes, mommy.
you can go shop for me, please.
Alright, mommy, me a come.
Go shop, go buy something to make on the breakfast. Buy 1 bread and 4 egg. And the herb and come back.
Yes, mommy.
And the
I'll
mother take
come
long.
back, mommy.
Sir!
Whatever they come to.
Babe, you see my belt?
No, darling.
Where the ball at?
I'm gonna get ready for go to school.
Alright, you are though. I'm gonna go work. Leave you now. I think say photography thing not work out, you know. Not work out. Some things I go full and in a construction business, you know. What do you think?
That sounds good.
Yeah, I feel like say that now because photography thing now work now season slow and you have to have a next investment. You understand? You have to have a next investment and really have to try something new. Because the boy them I get bigger now, we have to know where to look at. Them have got high school in a few one. You see me? You have to know college have come, you have to set something. You can't just do the money so that because we get it free. But anyways, hope you have a wonderful day. Now I'll see you. I'm gonna miss you now.
I miss you.
Alright, you don't have to leave no dinner for me.
Wappy!
Yeah.
Can my belt come?
See it tonight.
Thanks. Get one a band-aid over navlet there put on your toe.
Yes, Dad.
And you brush off your slippers, a dirty boy. Eh?
Yes, sir.
You know see the slippers you have. I tell go to school. Brush off your slippers, man. What kind of nasty man style like that? Come on, hurry up, man, and go on to school. Where Phillop?
Alright, let's not leave this place now. Boy!
Yes, Daddy.
You alright?
Yes,
Alright, look at more.
Alright.
Where brother? Alright, look at more.
Alright, Daddy. Yo, come here. I see my brush is saying. Search for my own day. I'm looking at your house, man. I have to brush. I want your man. If you brush it, then. If you brush it, no, you can't see that. Alright, I said the brush I'm always the use. No, man, I touch everyone, man. For this one, I want a special one, brother. Touch this one, man. Touch this one, man. You know if you want there. Come on, look for your two. Look for your two. Yo, yo, and I yearn. Yo, give me my brush, man. I'm looking at the house. Yo, come on, my brush, man, brother. Yo, I want my brush, my brother. Man, say I yearn. Yo, I want my brush. I want tapping knife, my brother. I'm in here walking, my brother.
Yo, I want to go there, Oi. Boy, I'm not going to only gun in here, what I do?
Me say we deal with the guano?
Deal with this, man, because I can't deal with them sitting here, man. I'm gonna late for work, man. Yo. Sure.
Sit down. What do I fight for? Run your son. What do I fight for?
Mommy, I'm there, so I brush my shoes. Ready for go to school and then come. I talk about a film brush. Look on this. Now my brush this. Film one on the orange one.
So if you brush this?
See, yeah.
What color brush me buy girl?
Eh?
What color brush me buy girl?
Why? You remember?
What color brush I get?
Blue.
So if you one day?
I don't know, you're asking.
You know our brother will not fight over brush.
Film one on the
If
orange
you can't
one.
find for another film and brush, we want brush?
I too hard come can't forget.
If you what? You're a smaller one, we want to get big brother too hard come for.
If you have more sense.
You know you don't have nothing about you? Me dey walk in the house and me step on your brush and I put it on the fridge top.
So we never know say it up on the ground.
Stop arguing with me. You know our brother enough with the head for over brush.
I ain't even talk to.
And put up things in properly.
Yes, ma'am.
I go for the breakfast so I can go to school.
Thank you.
When you eat the breakfast, I'm going to go to school. And I'm bother late. So what you look for?
Mommy, where you fall, mommy?
To do what?
If you put it here, I don't agree with something, mommy. So I don't agree with something.
When you finish, I wash off your hand them and I make your hand catch your uniform.
So Wappy, you not go to school, Wappy? Yeah, in the farmer. Me in the farmer. I can't in the farm. That's why you not go learn. You take away school book when you come from school. You waste mommy money. Waste mommy money. Oh, go on, my bad man, friend.
There, man. Come a week class early, do man.
Hey.
Man, chang, man. You done some bite to you, know.
So give me a piece of her,
Little
my
piece,
father.
you know, but...
Smell like grab a ton of
piece of grab it. So I go, your lunch money there?
You know, see, I want like a cheap bills me have to buy sardine and something.
Alright, forward the corona pot, you know.
Lily.
Yeah? Phillop? Nah.
Alright.
Yeah. So where's Wappy?
Wappy? Wappy gone school.
Oh.
So nothing. Well, him say
I'm going to school today, so guess what now? See, because I want a better future and something great in my life, I go to school and take him medication. I'm not busy about him. Remember what we talked about yesterday?
What exactly?
You will be my girlfriend.
Oh,
So what you say?
if me go be a girlfriend, you have to buy me lunch. I have to buy me sweetie too.
What else?
I'm one juice.
That's all?
No, I have to do my work then for me too. I have to carry my bag.
Babes, you know what I think about?
Hold on.
It'll get closer to the boy them birthday, and the thing say a time for we really invest in our business. Cause one of my friend, he have a premix truck around the road. I think I go buy it from him. In a good condition still, a good working condition. And, you know, a premix construction. You can't always make money off it. I think it's a good. Would that be a good buy? Cause I think a time for come out of the rent house, yeah. And I think still. And I don't feel like nobody has a pre.
Now we are going good too because there is some people getting money. You would like spend it off and buy a car and then some money and make people pay them.
Yeah man, that's true man. Some people don't braff it off already, but like I used to do foods and nutrition, I think you can bake a cake for the boy them and so.
But I think about it, so I bake one cake for them.
Yeah man, bake a cake for them, no bother too load up with things still. Or the real one come out of the place, I think I don't like it here.
I'm up there. I did, man. I did cigar too. Brother, yeah, brother, show me now and in a dog. I did cigar too. I saw a hot split with a spun 32 hard, brother. No, but hold on, I did cigar too. Brother. I did cigar too.
No, stop! Oi! Stop your fight! Hold my brother!
One here.
Hold my brother! Where do I fight over?
Girl in
Where do I fight? Girl!
Yo.
But what you mean a day? A really girl who know I fight over? I know a brother. All you. How you smell a weed so? Na school you go. You supposed to have bun with, yeah man? No worry yourself.
Yo, don't come back here. Hot split, you come back here.
Boy, where are you go? Come here. Boy, I mean, you cut your hand.
Use the knife and cut.
Yo, come go down, sir. Come go down, sir. I mean, boy, you idiot or what?
Stop laughing man. Why you cut your brother?
I'm thief a girl.
Slow up on me attack. Slow up on me attack. What do you mean thief a girl? So you cut your brother because I want a girl? You're mad man or what?
That move really nice, so. And he put in and try to grab you over on the sharp part. On the sharp part and he cut him so.
You see you say if you continue behave how you behave. Don't laugh at me man, because I don't love money.
I love him.
What's happening to you?
Alright daddy, let me tell you from top. Remember my girlfriend number that tell you about named Lily? From me and her did go up on the road and them look at thing there. Me and her come back from school now, so him buck me up and suck on me and him fight until he reached to this and he cut me on the hand.
And you cut your hand over one girl. Wappy. Listen to me now. Right? And a son me grow on you. And a son of you grow. And a brother. You can't make because I want a girl. If you want a girl, you get a girl for yourself. Him have a girl, you can't bad man your little brother for a girl. If you want a girl, you get a girl for yourself. And you can't, no argument with your brother because I want a girl. Because at the end of the day, You know, a brother. Girl will come and go. And how you move, woman will take you for idiot if you don't fix up yourself. You hear me I tell you? If you don't fix up yourself, if you don't get yourself in order, Wappy, you will get yourself in some serious problem. You see, as long as the two on live under my roof, I don't want no fighting or nothing from the two on. As my brother, I don't need to live good. You're supposed to can borrow for your slippers, you're supposed to can borrow for your slippers, I don't feel no way. You hear me I tell you? Anyways, I'm going to go bit because we need to pick up on the road. Come like I'm mad or no, I'm mad in this place. And make sure you do your homework too, you know.
Mommy, please send me lunch money.
Alright, my daughter. Oh, you know. I know you were going last night, you know. You may look a dirty drunk, you know. I left where I left. If you just look red mark, yeah. Fight where I fight. I fist me fist out in belly bottom last night. Here?
Okay.
So, go on to school, man.
Mommy, why me couldn't fight?
Me nah make no man take me for idiot, you know. No man at all, me nah make take me for idiot. You hear that? You see later when you come, we are pack with things. Because we are going to town.
Really?
Yes, and you look up people and supposed to in a big people argument. See, so when I grow up, no make no man at all take you for idiot. You hear me say?
Okay, mommy.
Come go to school. I love you, my daughter. One girl.
Love you too, mommy.
You're supposed to. Alright, later.
Yeah.
Yo, Joe. I want to come back up, you know. Yeah, I want to come back up. And when you come, drive with the removal truck. Because I look a dirty boy, I don't feel like he can style me. See as in gone, I pack up everything, all the furniture, everything. Washing machine, stove, fridge, everything. Just, yeah. Alright.
Phillop!
Yeah.
It's Lily.
Lily, where you find me?
Marlon told me where you live.
Marlon?
Yes.
That boy. So where there?
Marlon told me your hand was cut.
Man, yeah, you remember say I hit my right it, so I could get to come to school. Come sit down. So where you going with?
Nothing.
You sure alright?
I'm alright. One thing, hand.
At the same fight when me and my brother there fight over you on the road, make me get that cut in my hand. Because when I go home, I think say it did done, but yet still, I just see him in and feeling the same way and he just rush me. And I actually take a knife from him and he cut me in my hand. This is why I never come to school from when. But I said do and them thing there. But at the end of the day, I need to make it. Want to come back home safe and they will eat lunch together. You understand?
I have sad news.
Very sad news.
My mother and my stepfather and get along, so I have to go move back up a town with my mommy.
But that far, how am I going to get to see you now?
I don't know.
Just I tell you, don't bother stress out yourself and it go.
I have to go leave, you know.
I'm going now. Jaja. Let me see you. Alright, come.
Okay.
Just can't, but alright now. Alright, here.
Bye.
Look where you come from.
Mom, I go tell my friend them goodbye.
Oh, go and go pack up your things them. Because you dirty fart, they feel them get on this tonight. We are going. One driver if you come for it.
But mama, we can't stay.
Are you rule me or me rule you? Go in the house, go home with things.
Wake up, man. Wake up. Mama said I forgot school. Not because of mother and they are not lay down in their bed like son and have school for going on. Yeah, what? Phillop. Wake up here and you wash up the plate. Come on, get up, man. Get up. I go bathe and now I look for something to eat before I go to work. And then go bathe and go to work. So. Yeah, man. Come on, get up, man.
Yeah, get up, man. Yes, daddy.
You don't have school for going now. See your brother out there, sorry, up here. Go wash up the plate, them, man.
Yes, daddy. I wash up the plate now.
Alright, so I left now because no mother no there, you know, so that I don't want to feel like saying enough to go to school. Ensure say Wappy go to school now. Cause I'm lay down in my bed like him not intend to go to school. And hurry up and finish do yard out or so and go get something to eat and go to school from early.
You left lunch, man?
They're in there, man. Look in there.
Alright.
So, look them all.
Yes, daddy. Safe travel.
Alright.
Wappy. Dad not tell you to get up. Get up, man. Poor you. Get up, man. You know, see plate them run I sink.
Brother, you chat too much. You ain't farmer, brother.
Man, I ain't farmer. Me a great ready to go to school. Me done sweep up here.
Yeah, my father, man. I don't care, man.
Me chat too much. Me I go get ready. Bathe and go to school. Come wash up the plate them, brother.
You act like you chat too much, yeah, man.
But I feel like you can cut me with knife again, here.
I ain't farmer, man. Come on,
different business room.
Come on,
Brother, you really gonna go to school? After daddy done tell us to go to school already.
Brother, you chat too much, man. I love pray, man, brother.
Alright, then just do what you have to do, yeah? Do what you have to do. Because if you say you don't want nothing, you want to sit down and do what you have to do. Do everything.
Brother, you act like you, man. Love pray, man. Alright, man.
You don't want nothing, man.
You act like when I come in, you want a fat conk in here. You act like you're in farm. You're in farmer.
Yo, Wappy.
Go on.
What, man?
Go on that building, Anna.
I want to paint up the place.
You know, so my father get man to paint up a place though, you know, say, after Christmas with us. You know, make the place have to look nice and clean up a place, you know. So it's all going different there now. All going.
So I'll go up on the ends then now.
I go check on and shut off all the air.
Ah, me there, sir.
Over here look nice, man. You can go over there.
Why you can't go over there now? My stepmother can't too great. So I lock up your house and gone, you know?
Oh, so you want to go and be back then, yeah, man. You know, see Josh interview.
Yeah, man, I see it, man. I really see my match at
Man,
Artist, you know.
boss want to make me hear no man. No hear what go on no man.
Alright. Me have gyal a Ochi, me have gyal a Clarendon, me have gyal a St. Mary, me have gyal a St. Anne, me have gyal overseas, me have gyal a Portland, me have gyal a St. James, me have gyal a Westmoreland.
Yeah man, you sick man not telling like man. Nice we have girls still no man.
You say you not about no weed?
The man I split them no man. You know say you smoke it good weed and no man. Could I agree how you smoking no man? I will like it. So yeah, go on.
Yeah man. Officer Leng here. Badge number 2197. Yeah man, so me just a call in for kinda make you know say me dep on the location and the lookout for the culprit. Yeah man, every time me try apprehend him move, you see me? So me there I go on for the stakeout undercover. I go and look out. But you are. You know, say you look like me see some underage youth of smoke. Yeah man, let's see if I can take them and carry me in. Alright. So if anything me call back, alright? Yeah man. Yo, no don't move, undercover police. Turn up man, turn up. Yo, how no go to school? Yo, you are going. It's like how the outer saw one weed. Me carrying on a station, you know. What the parents number?
859 8013.
Yeah man, Officer Leng here. You know some me dey undercover and me see your son and the next young man a smoke weed and them not going to school. A matter of fact, you need to come down to the station come pick them up. Because you need to explain why them not there at school. Alright? Alright, so come down to the station right now. Alright.
Go on. Slow yourself. Phillop. You know, I'm very disappointed in you, boy. Imagine, me left this morning, so I'm going to work, you know, to make sure you say, you know, alright. And you to make sure you say you're on the right track. And you're not going to school, you're going to bun weed with Pancana with boy. Eh? Is where you get them started from, young man. Eh? Where you get them started from? And you follow company, where you think it's a company. When you get locked up in a jail, the things that come bail you. And you see the things them where you run down. You see the smoking, the bad man this, the bad man that, and this and that. It nah bring you go far. You need to get your act together. This could have escalated differently, you know. One could have gone at cops or police could have shot you and put gun pan and said you a gunman. But anyways, if stepmother come for you, go on in there, sir.
Yes, like.
Just slow yourself until the stepmother come. Man, the least that we can do. Yeah, man. Bartender. Yeah, 3 and 2 for me there, please. Oh, no, okay. I'll fill it in my car.
I forgot to pay back for that food there and more to go in.
Hold me, I'm going to hold them now. Hi.
Yo, Wappy, come here, man.
What go on, Chacha? Eh?
Star, you know.
What go on?
Star, man.
So you star me up at what? What go on?
I will see you on reality TV, JM. Internet, man. I go on with beer things.
Me?
Yeah,
Mine
man.
or somebody else,
On
you
the
see?
internet, man.
Me, you see?
Yes, sir.
Me no know
Big
you talk
star,
about.
I'm sure you are going.
Let me see, cause me no know what you talk about. Me reach me. Wait, yo, how where you get this?
Yeah, man, at the youth. My name Michael, man.
Michael?
Yeah, man.
I don't really mean this still in about him can't do them something. They talk Michael
But you're a
and
big
Brown.
star, brother. Give
No,
thanks,
I know me,
man.
I know me, man. I know me. Me just a try to show you say, oh, we could have get exit up there, sir. I know me still in as me I tell you, you know.
John, know you.
Yeah, man, I did image a thing and stuff. But you said the
Big up
brown
yourself,
youth, you know.
same way, man. Cause
Everything good, man.
man favor, man. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, because them mistake people, like me I try to tell you.
Say a word, man.
Alright then, brown brother. Lily, pretty little flower.
Oh, we again.
Who me again?
Mm-hmm.
What you mean who me again? Wappy, you remember me, Wappy? From we a little pitney, me I look for you, you know, I admire what I notice that my brother you go for, you know.
But you look different though.
Well, you know, so we grew up, man, and look like man now. You don't know how to look like man, you know?
Where's Phillop?
Oh?
Phillop.
Phillop, my brother.
Yeah.
Them man they happier than me here right now, you know. I tell you the truth, them man they married. But about 12, how much kids do you have right now? One bag of kids, but all I know is them man they happily married right now and, you know, together all of them something. You understand? Yeah, man.
So you don't have a number for him?
No, it's not like I don't have a number for him, but I can't give it to you because I know you get in trouble with him wife. You understand what I say? But what I going to do, I'm going to take your number, so when I see him off the ear, I just give it to him and make him just link you. How that go? 863-6395. What again? 95. Oh, yeah, man. I make him call you and thing, you know? But I notice by your finger, you know, lockdown. You're single?
Yeah, I'm single.
Eh? So, alright. That's cool. So, may I make him link you? And, you know, we'll meet up again and stuff like that, right?
Alright, no problem.
You're good though?
Yeah, man.
Alright then. You're single, you say?
Yeah.
Alright. Hey, I'm single too, you know? Yeah. Nah, nobody. But my body.
Who is it?
Lily?
Hi, what's up?
Not there, man. Why you look pretty like the flowers as always?
Yes. How did you find me though?
What you mean? Me and my friend who live down there and thing and describe me. I say my sister that. I know me from long time. I always protect you, though.
Yeah, that's
I
true.
always look out for you and know say you're nice. You know what I say?
Sure.
Yes, I pass through still, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. So I cook up something.
Yeah, me there. I try to cook some food.
Why you can't give your brother none, you can't go on.
You know, a small portion, so not today, probably next time.
Alright. That's fair enough. But me just a check say you're alright and everything good. You understand?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Yeah, man, agree?
Yeah,
The house look nice too.
Thank you.
Nice, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Alright then. Take care, yeah?
Alright,
So, can I get a little?
Oh, no.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, big up.
Yeah, man. May I see you back, yeah?
Alright, cool.
Alright, later.
Alia, I know say a long time you and Wappy a friend, about 3 years now, right?
Yeah.
And I know say not having no good times or no bad times, but I'm sure good times then better. So, what I say now is that I want you and Wappy to start come at church too. So I want to not get married and come at church. Give me some grandchildren, cause me and daddy sometimes we there when we da like some children run where I make little nice and we can't help to take care of them too, you know. So guess what I want? It one of them married and come at church too. Cause I no live far. Alright, so talk to him and I no get married.
Why me so? Me talk to him now, me all give him hint, but he come like him now go and win nothing. And I like say me if you go down for mine and propose to him now, him supposed to do that. Cause he not really treat me that bad, he might go and good.
You talk to him, and you continue to talk to him.
Wow.
And encourage him.
Mommy, what going on? What you there? Mommy never know say you're there. You good?
Yeah man, me alright.
Alright. You not call you and couldn't get you. Hold on. Mine not talk when you talk me, you know.
No, I know you we talk about.
You sure?
Yeah, I know you we talk about.
No, but him need to hear this. You know, him need to hear. So, we really when I say, you need to get married to her because a full time now. And once, you know, it want to come at church. Want some little grandchildren run the place, I run up and down and me and daddy can keep young same way I run behind them and thing. And then you grow them up in a church just like how you grow up in a church, right?
I bet you come up with this.
No, not me.
I know man, it's the right thing. I'm want you to do the right thing. I want to hold up a grandpitney. I want to get married. I want to come at church with me.
So you ready for kids?
Of course.
Hold him now. Father, here. Hold that.
Pass it to your partner, yo.
Yo, Mark, easy. Yo, channel.
Alright then, yeah, sure. Yo, that S not good enough. You have to chew over back, brother. Money
you get on the board, man, yo.
Chew over back, brother. Mark, I want to see your money we have to pay for now. 100,000.
Get on the board.
Alright, chew on my youth.
Yo,
you bet. Yo, chew man. I eat that?
You're chew, man. Man, I mash up on the man, just a mash up on the money, man.
Alright, go on here.
Oh, I can't dash this, brother.
So you never go to a long
Yo, John no star. Yo, Mark, hear me and say no man. The game can't done, so brother. Where my brethren them there? Where my teammate there? Just give me my teammate no man, yo. Yo, Mark. $100,000 right now if you're not scared. Cause you little baby money them over there say your friend and banana. You see me I say? 100,000 right now. Just start now man, put your money where your mouth there.
No man, say for me and man, I'm willing, you know.
Alright then, cool. Alright, come here. Take off that top of the boat, cause we are big man. We are gonna run it right now.
No, yo, wait there, man. You have to say, you know, we pay for your money. Like, you see for me, I say, no, you have put favor to pay them, man.
I have mine, man, Mark. I want to tell Mark, you style me like me a big man, you know.
A gambling, man, yo, a gambling.
Just roll the dice, man. We can roll the dice.
Alright, let's see what I go. Three and a few pockets, three and a few. There you go. Come in.
Alright, my move. Oh, God from earth and heaven, all over I need to burn.
Swallow me, girl, swallow me.
No.
Yo, a 6. How much from you, sir? Well, let me check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. How are you there?
1, 2, 3, 4. That's the seat there. You go in, man. Where my money there, man?
Oh. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I chew. You win, man. Mark, you're general, you know. Yo, you ever going on? Me think me have the money for me, but me just run go ATM and come back. You know I'm good for that. You know I'm good for that, brother. You know I'm good for that. I just run go ATM right now.
I'm saying, man, I'm gambling, man, yo. I don't gambling serious.
Me know. Shh.
Right, you hear me I say? I want to tell you, make sure to get the money, you know.
Yeah, get it, man. Just cool, now.
Man,
Mark, I get it, man.
Man, first thing you shouldn't even come in a gambling game and not have the money.
That's cool, man. You know, for God, man. You get your money.
She can't make so much noise up some man. You know, a big man. We are dealing with the thing away. I got ATM right now and cash your money and come back. I want me to tell them the money they are chump money. You know how much I just win off of me just a while ago, man.
Yo,
Tell the man, my friend.
How long may I take to get my money?
Nah, take no long, man. I just drive me and me just go boof back and reach out. They say, Mark, stop worry yourself. Hey, yo. Later, Mark. Yeah, come.
Yo, Mark, them boy, they are general, you know. Them boy, they grow anything in the dog. We have to go pay the boy for your money, you know, because you're not going to get your money from the boy, you know.
Yo, don't worry head, man. I'll get him, man. Me watch him, man. Watch him.
Yo, Phillop, where you there? Yeah, me there right now. Just come downstairs, brother. Yeah, man, I wait for you, yeah? Alright, come in, because we have to get things done, you know. Sure, no, hurry up, man. Sure. What, Lily?
What for?
Not there.
Can I give brother a number?
Oh, how him there? You know, say, me see him and me give him the number, I wonder if him did have it.
Because when I see him call me.
Know yourself, man. Remember me tell you say him have him wife and family and kids them like that. You understand? So that's why I'm probably not remember or get the time for call you. But I don't know how big it to it, man. Anyway, me I come get you up out here, you know. Go where we are going, you know.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, man. Just take care of yourself, yeah? Right. Later. Yeah? Me I making call you.
Yo, Wappy, you ready?
Yeah.
So you hurry me, you know, man.
I'm ready, you know, my brother.
How would that, Phillop?
How you know my name?
Don't worry, man. I recognize your voice.
From where?
I'm me, Lily.
Lily?
Yeah.
How long am I see you? About 20 years now you're in Kuwait?
Well, you know, I'm a job transfer me down here and so me in the hotel industry and stuff like that now.
So how long time down here?
Yeah, probably about a year now or so.
Phillop! Yo, come in, man. You remember say something we ever do? You come like you forgot. Yeah, man.
Your brother told me
No, Phillop! I'm ready, you know.
May I come the man?
No, man, I'm ready, brother. I'm ready, dog.
But you know, I saw some business we have to deal, but you know, I want your number. Give me a number. Put your number on my phone. Yeah, may I come the brother?
Alright, see you here.
More call though. We do it later?
No, not really.
More call, we'll link up later, here?
Alright.
I run up and down.
Pick up yourself, yeah, yo, brother, work we are doing, you can't get like, come like something catch your skin on fire when you see people, man. Remember say Lily the little and dark and look like Kunta Kenta where she blocked her out late, me I tell you, brother.
Yeah, we gotta look good now though. You know what I mean?
Yeah, she alright, you understand? She just put on a little colour upon her and she you understand?
Bunny down.
Yeah, but she alright, she not there. You understand? Yeah. Where you not say? She hot. She not that hot.
But a nice girl for a long time still, man.
Yeah,
I
she
got the
nice.
ass love me off, you know. You know it, though.
Yeah, true that, but them girls ain't no good for you. I know you don't want them girls still, you understand? That with you, I know you know. Yeah, you look for like up class, like doctor and them something there, you know?
Go Pila.
What, Darila?
Yeah. Go through cool it out.
Yeah, man, more use the more go hold a leak, you
say. Bush is a man, you say a man in the man.
Yeah, man. But Pastor house look nice, man.
Yeah, man.
A real talk, man. Yeah, come them back. Yeah. Oh, God.
Alright.
What's up, there, brother? Oh. Hey. Yeah, people. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, come the brother. Yeah, brother. Feel light, you understand what I say? Like a bird.
Yeah, man, really light.
Yeah, man. So you say no?
Yeah, can go in that place fast, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Ready again. Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn down to the ground. Yeah, man, when the season, end of the year, Christmas season that got to. Yeah, so we're there, I go and hold off, you can see the place, paint up and thing. You can see it. You see the paint up here? Yeah, so we are trying to get some work done for Christmas, so we are trying to get a Christmas movie done. Yeah, we have a room to try to get some things in United Speed. You know what I mean? So you watch a movie, you love, you appreciate the movement that we're doing now. It's a good feeling when you can contribute to something of moving forward, because too much negative vibes is around. So help the positive, because that's what all the while, the positive now get help we really need and strength we really need. You know what I mean? Enough of talk, but then now do the action, and we're here to do the action. So we are trying to get the room done. We get the matches tonight. Big up to the person that donate the funds to buy the matches. The two person them make up together and do that. You know what I mean? Enough respect. Big up to the person them who give a donation to buy the curtain them. You know what I mean? So big up to that, but more things is there to be done. You know what I mean? So we really appreciate the donation towards them, the direct donation. You know what I mean? So we can just get the things them done and get the movie up and running. You know what I mean? Because we keep the fire blazing. And we want to keep it entertained. You know what I mean? And you know what Jamaica is, so I don't need to really explain. You know what I mean? We take money and we need money for just do it. So if I can make a contribution direct, link Richard Bro Films, you know what I mean? Or contact me directly. You must have my number, but everybody will have my number. You see it? So if I know Richard Bro Films, you contact me directly. We get it up and running. You know what I mean? Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn down to the ground. Yeah, man, this movie, why Wappy kill Phillop? You understand it? It's a proper saying, but look out for part 2. Part 2, we'll take it to the next level. You know what I mean? So see you there at part 2. Thanks for watching part 1. You know what I mean? Anyway, go and listen to that song here.
Money down. There you go. Me a pound of rice and a tin mackerel then I'm on it.
Pound of rice, tin of mackerel.
Alright, so you want to put it on the bills as usual. So have money to pay here.
Alright, sir.
Better days are come.
Think you're Jesus, boy.
Yeah, Rasta boy. We gonna go.
We run this, you know. Think you're Jesus. Yo. Now black. Now black. Harder. Shop now, them shop people, you don't know what's me grimy boy, you know.
Where are the Rasta boy? Ease up, man.
Grimy, you know.
Go to the Rasta.
My boy, Rasta boy, know you're doing now. We run this boy, you know.
Curious King, Richard Bro Films.
Working for nothing would leave you with nothing. Sorry for those who don't understand. Sorry for those who don't see their plans. We are in a war here. Surrounded by leaders that don't care. The war is on, yes, the war is on. Before you're born, look like your life is gone. You see my love, your face gone. It's the burden we bear. Who will listen, them will hear. Come on, my brother, clean your heart from the fear. These challenges that we face on a daily basis. Man, I kill them brother if you wear the latest. Almighty, him not the greatest. Dirty Babylon full of craft and matrix. I feel like I'm sinking in quicksand. I hope you understand. Who weapon launch and know them a blame it on the rat pot. Better know yourself and better lock chat. Them lock the church and left the cash pot. Come on Babylon, do better than that. Like this every day them want we bring back. Sorry for those who don't understand. Sorry for those who don't see their plans. We are in a war here. Surrounded by leaders that don't care. This should have been just in time, better from what it is. Jamaica have become a big family business. Nothing sharing here no more. I see they send no love for the poor. I see them sleeping on the floor. People suffering, government keep on ignoring. Grandma says she can't take it no more. We are in a war here. Surrounded by leaders that don't care. For those who don't understand. Chop it on. Easy. Freeze it.